Hello, everyone. My name is Gary Borch, and today I'm with Mohammed from Leadcart. How are you, Mohammed?
I'm good, man. How are you?
I'm okay, thanks. So today, from SaaS interviews and reviews, I want to thank you again for joining with us today. So here, us and everyone who's watching this video right now, we are wondering about you and your company. So where are you located, and how many team members do you have in your company, and what do you do exactly?
Okay, so let's answer those one question at a time. So I'm located in Jerusalem, and with an office in a city called Ramallah. And my team is currently consisting of five people, excluding me. So we're six in total. I have my CDO, and I have two front-end engineers, one back-end engineer, and my designer. And so what do? We work on developing a cart solution, right, to help online entrepreneurs, triple their conversion rates when selling online. So that's the whole thing in one line, basically.
So why did you name Leadcart, if I may ask?
So basically, the whole lead cart idea started back in December 2017, right? And at the time, I was using Samcart for almost a year and a half. I really loved the idea of the product. I really loved the need behind it, because it was a really good, a hugely needed product with a lot of features that anyone who wants to sell online actually needs, right? And I started working in December 2017, and we named it at the start InvoCart, which meant invoicing, invoicing cart. And at the start, it was going to be a really simple product, just like all products start a really simple idea. And we wanted to do a cart that only, you do a checkout and then you get sent an invoice, and that's it. Right. So 2 months later, after working with a team, it turns out that we had something that I really did not like. It wasn't something that was suitable to go to market. It wasn't something that I would actually appreciate and put my name on. So we actually trashed the whole thing and started over from scratch. Fast forward another 5 months of hard work, of sketching, wireframing, and creating all the features we needed. And we also ended up with another product that I also did not feel satisfied that would actually satisfy the need of customers on the market, right? And this is where we actually started working on Leadcart, and this is why we named it Leadcart. So we started working on Leadcart in August of 2018, all the way up until now, and we just launched this week. And we named it Leadcart because I really wanted a super easy product that you can have, it's just the name Lead. It's super easy for anybody to write down in their browser, whether they are, native English speakers or non-English speakers. And then the word cart, which is also super easy. And together they make a really nice combination. It's just Lead cart. It's really easy. It makes things sound like a brand from the get-go. And it's very easy to go viral, I would say. And we have a ton of features in Leadcart, but just in one line, it's a checkout platform that helps online sellers 10x their conversion rates, right? So if you usually a normal cart would land you a conversion rate of 2 to 5% on a good day, and then when we have those kind of checkout bases that we talk about, you could actually go as far as having 30 to 40% conversion rate easy. And let me share my screen with you and take you on a very quick tour of Leadcart.
Sure.
I just need to make sure. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay, let's move this one around. All right, so this is the dashboard. When you actually get into Leadcart, this is the dashboard you see. Mm-hmm. And we have a very simple onboarding here. First, you just set up your settings. Then you connect your payment processor. So that's, for now, it's Stripe and PayPal. And then you create your first products and you can start selling. And this whole process shouldn't take more than 10 minutes, right? Yeah. So we go to the settings. You just add your settings, add your company name, your logo, where you're located. You have your time zone, and then you have your currency, etc. Right? And then you go to integrations, and we have Stripe and PayPal out of the box. And we also have Zapier in case you actually need it to do fulfillment for products. So that's in terms of actually the main things in settings. So here, when you go to products, you can actually create your own product. And if you click on a new product, you'll see a visual editor where you can actually edit the whole thing, right? Everything here is editable, so you can actually, product name is awesome, and then you can actually edit everything you want to edit. This is the general settings, so you can edit the whole color theme for the full checkout page. And then you can change those checkout based templates. And then you can actually hide stuff or add stuff. So if you want to add features, we can do that. We can, if you want to add testimonials, we can also do that. If you want to delete those, we can delete those. If you want to hide them, the whole thing, you can hide it. If you don't want to see coupons, you don't want to see coupons. And then you can actually go and change things from here. So you have your currencies, you have your pricing, you have your type of price or payment. So we have one time, we have subscription and split payments. You can connect Stripe and PayPal. So it's fairly easy, and it's just, it takes you a minute to learn, and then you can create your own product very, very easy. And this is the bumble offer that we have, and everything here is editable. So you can add $10. You want to call it whatever you want to call it, bumble offer, right? And then you can actually edit everything here as well. So you can edit the background to have whatever you want, right? And so this is the whole product builder, and at a really, really quick glance. Then we got here the activities, so you get to see all of your orders, and you can actually export these. Here you get to see all of your subscriptions and how much they're paying monthly or yearly, however you set that. We have a customer lab, so here you look at things from a customer perspective, and you can actually look at one customer and see how many orders they've had with you, and you can actually refund orders from here. Then we got coupons, which is self-explanatory. We got one-click upsells here. And one-click means that your customers don't need to enter their payment information again. They just, they just do order, and the order gets added to their order. Fulfillment, here we have many forms of fulfillment, and it's the product delivery inside of Leadcart. Currently, we have no fulfillment. We have manual fulfillment, which is for services or consulting services, design services, websites, etc. Right? Then we have success URLs, so you can add your success URL, and it will be delivered to your customer along with an expiration date as well. You can add as many as you want from these as well. And then finally we got Zapier, so you'll be able to connect Zapier and add people, based on Zaps that you do. If they have a new order, you can add them there. If they do a refund, if they cancel a subscription, all these kind of things. And the final thing, which is super cool, is the agency inside of Leadcart, and you can simply just, invite and resell accounts basically to other people. So that's our quick glance, Gary.
It really looks very intuitive. I want to ask you one last question as well, regarding for the SaaS entrepreneurs as well. In your opinion, to get your first 100 or 1,000 sales,
okay,
how would you do it, or how would you advise someone to do it?
Okay, so I've had 1,000 sales before. I have, and it's first of all, it's a great feeling. So that's number one. And the second thing, I think the best thing that you can do is two things. One, you need to add value to people's lives, right? If you don't add value, and here sometimes adding value could be solving a problem for someone, could be making something easier, something more cost effective, etc. So first of all, you need to add value to other people's lives, and here people become willing to pay you. And the second thing, you gotta have great customer service. And if people are happy with your service or happy with you, they're gonna keep buying and they're gonna keep coming back again, and your business will grow.
Nice. Okay, then. I really want to thank you again for your time with us with SaaS interviews and reviews. Everyone, Mohammed here will be in the group. I will tag him, and if you have any questions, just ask him. And we thank you again for the opportunity that you gave us, Mohammed. We cannot wait to see your company grow more in the future.
Thank you, man. Thank you, Gary. Have a great day.
See you, mate. Have a great day.